beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter now about one small girl, a girl of 9 years, go carry a fire, go put for supermarket. I never see this kind of thing before. Like now, all video me I for they see all those kind of things. The thing shocked me, like seriously. My people, this girl, she entered supermarket. As she entered the supermarket, the way she do, you don't go. She just the waka they come, they like they dance they come. You understand? So when she reach the supermarket, she dey waka dey come dey look everywhere like this. I come dey say you don't go suspect her because she all dey like dey play dey come like who wan buy something. Okay, she just reach front, then she come go the side where gas dey. The side where gas dey, my darling people. Na if this girl go, just carry the fire, he on her for there, then she run comot. Then later na the fire come begin dey catch. The fire come begin dey catch. Before they know, na fire don full everywhere. This thing come dey surprise me. Wetin make this girl do this kind thing? Wetin make this girl now come do this kind thing now to these people? Small girl. Wetin this girl come know? 9 years. Just carry fire, go put for supermarket. Fire. Hey. They really say this life no balance really, like seriously. Wetin come just come over this girl now? Where this girl can't do this kind of thing to herself? Because the thing still they surprise everybody now. People they say na im mama na im say now. When I go dey surprised now, say im mama no know one, he no know two. Im mama no even know when they say even do this kind of thing. You understand? But now they say na im mama na im say now. How person mama go just send the pikin? May go carry fire 9 years for that matter. Oh, you go see me go carry fire, go put for supermarket. Who does that? Fire. Me go put her for supermarket. Me I never see this kind of thing before. Because as they ask her question now, they say na im mama, but she talk say im mama no know one, he no know two. For me, I for say me they ask that girl question well. If it be say now somebody say that girl, because when that fire don't enter, where people they pass, they look the fire. You get one strange girl wey come. The way the girl say even do the laugh. Because the person where the video the thing, because may we look this girl way, may we look her way, the way she take the laugh. If it be say she even still get out for this thing, because I don't look and say a girl of 9 years go your fit just get that kind thought. Say he want go carry fire, go put for supermarket. That girl now somebody that is saying now, not be a mama. A mama no know one, no two for this thing. Now go carry that poor woman and go arrest her. For what she don't know anything though. If you go arrest her now. Yeah, because for me, I dey feel say that girl now somebody say now. I don't believe say na person that if mama na him say now. Because what if mama want come gain now? What if she want gain? She will come say a pikin of 9 years girl for that matter. May go put fire for supermarket. Because you know say if something don't happen like this now. Now that time they'll come they say na im mama. They'll say na im mama. Then the first words it told the girl Matt yesterday say make she talk truth. Say na im mama na im say now. May I not believe that one. Me I not believe say na im mama na im say now. I don't believe that one at all. Like the thing they surprise me. But you just come over this small girl now, God. Small girl. If you get that kind of thoughts to go carry fire.
You love them. You love them. and go and light up a place.
If the other CCTV had come up, the one controlling the camera that should have seen the position of you and your mom, they would have known that it's your mom that sent you. It was your mom. How do you know that particular
They tell us that I'm
in that
mama.
place? You used to see. You see it as what? You see somebody using it there, I mean what? And you see it that what will happen. You see it as what? As instrument of what? Huh?
They ask a question.
Your
Son, 9-year-old, born a boost of 5 billion naira. How do you start paying? The law will not allow you to detain her. You can't detain.
your mother took you there. I said, who took you to that place? I said, who took you there?
Your mother.
Your mother is the one that coached you. Because, hello, I will give you a very direct now. I'm asking you a direct question, and I'm trying, you as well as you are, and I'm trying to twist the question for me.
Small gay.
Who took you to that place? Huh? Huh? And then, why did your mom allow you to follow her to that place? On what premise? On what?
He said na him mama, na he take and go that place. But not be him mama na he send am according to her. He said na him mama take and go that place, that area. Then she come waka go the supermarket now, go do wetin she go do now. But he not talk say na him mama na he send am, na that part. Na there be the problem so. She not talk say na him mama na he send am. Eh? The thing they shocktalize me. Oh. See, what go come make this girl now go do this kind thing to herself? Eh? My people, what go make this girl do that kind thing? Go carry fire. Fire. Hey. Nothing when Musa no go see for ghetto. Small girl. Get that kind of thought, go carry fire. Go put for supermarket. Hey, the life not balance so. Eh? For why small girl don't come get that kind of thoughts now? Say na fire now. Now be say the world is coming to an end. My people, what you think about this video? When I feel say na im mama send am, or na she by herself do wetin dey her mind. I bet more than leave on a comment to my darling people, because me, I never see this kind of thing before. Thank you. Please share this video for me. Please share this video.